How would you guys like to be making $150 per day? Well, in today's video, I've compiled 5 different ways that will potentially be making you guys $150 in a day. But here's the catch. We are going to be making this money online and all from the comfort of our own homes. Now, being a college student, I can understand the struggle of having the pressure to go into a job rather than having the ability to work from home, which is why I've compiled all of these different ways to start making money at home. I found that I like to have some more freedom in my day-to-day life as I need more time to study and focus on my schooling rather than stressing to go into a job to work, which is why I want to help you guys too find different ways to work from home. Especially as a student, I want to help you guys out as I understand this as well. And I know $150 a day could change a lot of your guys' life, as I know it could change mine, because it just helps you with simple things like going to the grocery store and having the ability to buy the snacks you want even. Or maybe being able to go to the movies here and there, or going on little shopping sprees, or even help paying for your house or your rent. So I hope I can help a few of you out there, and without further ado, we're gonna get into 5 ways to make $150 online. So the first way to make money online is going to be through a thing called digital products. Now, these are not physical products that people can hold in their hand. These are products that people can buy that are all on their computer or their phones. So a digital product could be something like an ebook or a digital course online, and etc. And you can find a lot of these different digital products on a place called Gumroad. So if you guys want to check out Gumroad, they have a tab that is called Discover. So once you simply pull up the Gumroad website, you will see a bar at the top that shows all of the different categories of the different digital products that they offer. I'm looking at it right now and I see that they have different fiction books, different audios, different films, and different comics. So there's a ton of different digital products that they offer. So for example, I have just pulled up a digital product on Gumroad, and this digital product is called The Art of Twitter. And it is a guide that helps you earn $100 a day. So as I'm looking at this product right now, and I see that there are 370 ratings. Now, each of these courses goes for $199. So we know that they've made at least 370 sales. So if we take this 370 sales and times it by 199, we get roughly around $73,000 here that we know that this course has made. So if this seller on Gumroad here makes only 1 sale a day, they are making well over $150 a day, which is why digital products are so good, as they have a higher selling point than if we were selling just a t-shirt or a mug online. So let's break down the math a little bit more on if you had a different price for your digital product. Let's say you weren't charging $200 for just one product. Well, in order to meet our requirements of making $150 a day, you would need 10 sales a day on a $15 product, or you would need 3 sales a day on a $50 product, or just 1 sale a day with a $150 product. And in order to really jump into creating your own digital product, I recommend scrolling a little bit on Gumroad to get a few ideas of what these digital products may be, or maybe you could watch some YouTube videos or YouTube tutorials on how to create your own digital product. So again, you could make your own guide, like the guide that I've just shown you, The Art of Twitter, for example. But you could just start putting together your guide on Google Docs and learning some information on whatever your specific niche for your guide is going to be. And then, of course, to promote your digital product, you're going to need to gain some traffic to it. Now, whether this be promoting your course on your social medias, or maybe you have a YouTube channel to promote your course on, or you could have affiliates promote your course so other people are promoting it for you. There's just a ton of different possibilities, so this could be something worth looking into for you guys. And now we're going to get into a different type of digital product, which is going to be our second way to make money online, which is an online course. And this is actually how my brother makes a lot of his money, as he has a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization on Digistore if you're interested. But if you make your own course, I suggest you price it higher. So then if you're making just one sale a day, you're still making over $150. And an online course is just going to be a guide, sort of, whether you want to set this up in a video format or a slideshow format, but it's basically you just teaching anybody about a given subject. For example, my brother has his course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, which is how to make money with YouTube. So that is a good example right there. But let's just say that your course is priced at $500. Well, you would only be needing to make 9 sales per month to be making $150 daily. And when you think about it, 9 sales is not a lot, as it's still under 10 sales, and you would still be making $150 per day in the whole month. And courses can be great if you have some knowledge that you want to share with other people, or maybe you don't even have some knowledge that you specifically want to share with people, but you could do some research and learn about a specific topic, create your own course. You could really just create a Google slideshow even, and then download the OBS Studio, which could screen record your slideshow, and then you can just talk through the slideshow. Now, you don't necessarily have to show your face with an online course, but it can give you some more credibility if you do show your face. And then if you want to get a little further into your online course, you could even create a private group, which is going to be where you answer people's specific questions within this online course. And then you could have some extra templates to share with people, or some bonus tips even. And then with your course, as same with the digital products, you're gonna want to promote your course to people. So this is of course up to you on how you want to do this step. But I know that having an online course can get you guys to be even more financially free, as it is something that will pay you a lot, and it can be very beneficial in the long run as well, because once you create this course, it can sell for years to come. Of course, you might want to make some little tweaks here and there to your course to update it yearly or monthly, but an online course is a really good idea. And with my brother having an online course, I know that I want to make my own online course as well, so I will be making that soon. And now we're going to be jumping into our third way to be making $150 in a day, which is going to be affiliate marketing software. Now, you can become an affiliate for higher payout products, such as if you find different digital products to promote on Digistore, which could be a lot of courses. But I just want to note that you guys need to be promoting the right kind of products. And there are kinds of low payout partner products, and they pay you monthly when you refer different customers to their brand. And I've seen typically that these type of affiliate programs are going to be different softwares. For example, this website called Flicky.ai, they have an AI service, and they say that you get 30% reoccurring commissions for a lifetime for each customer that you refer. Let's just say you are getting $43 per month, random number, throwing it out there. So with this, you would be making $13 per customer per month. And if you refer a total of 346 customers, then we would be hitting that $150 in one day. Now, of course, there will be on occasion the people that do unsubscribe to you, but if you keep referring newer people to replace the old people that are unsubscribing to this program, well, then you could still be making this $150 in one day. And if you keep promoting some helpful stuff, then chances are a lot of people will stay subscribed to you for a long time. And of course, you're going to need to promote your affiliate link, because you want people to subscribe to your affiliate link because you get this 30% commission. And some great ways to do this could be through social media apps or even YouTube. And trust me, we're gonna get to how to get into YouTube in a minute. But first, we're going to jump into our next way on how to make $150 a day, which is going to be an Instagram theme page. You can run a very successful Instagram account without even having to show your face whatsoever. And this could be great if you just don't want to show your face on social medias, or maybe you're just all about the aesthetics and you would rather show pictures that aren't of you. Whatever your reasoning may be, Instagram theme pages are great because you just don't have to show your face at all. Of course you can if you want to, but the main focus of an Instagram theme page is going to be one specific niche. Now, if you aren't familiar with how Instagram pages actually make money, well, let's jump right into that. These Instagram theme pages make money by selling different shoutouts. And these are basically just advertisements that companies can buy and put on their own pages. Now, a lot of these different companies will actually reach out to your Instagram account once you start gaining some traction. So you could potentially DM other content creators and ask if they would like to promote your content. But however, here's something interesting. Once your Instagram account gains more and more traction, you will actually have other people reaching out to you because they will want to pay you for these shoutouts. And here's a little tip here. There is a website called Shoutcart, which is going to be a marketplace where you guys can actually buy and sell different shoutouts. So this can be a great place to go when starting an Instagram account, which is why I wanted to throw it into this video. And there are different pages that actually charge you $150 for just one shoutout. So with this being said, you could sell your shoutouts for this amount of money as well. So if you're selling just one shoutout a day, you are meeting our requirements of making over $100 in a day. And then you could also partner in affiliate marketing within your Instagram page, like I had mentioned before in this video, and you could also promote different digital products and different online courses. So the combinations here are endless. Now, I've kept mentioning YouTube within this video, so it would be a shame if we didn't bring it up, right? So of course, our fifth way to be making over $100 in a day online. Can anybody have any guesses out there? Any guesses? Any guesses? Well, it's a YouTube channel, of course, but we're gonna specifically talking about faceless YouTube channels. Now, this is very much like an Instagram theme page, as you do not have to show your face at all. So let's break down the math a little bit on how we would be making over $100 in a day with a faceless YouTube channel. So let's say we have posted a total of 60 videos onto our channel. Well, each video on your channel would only need to be making around $2 or $2.50 a day. And my brother actually has a ton of different faceless YouTube channels. And with just ad revenue, he is able to make thousands a day with just faceless YouTube channels. So once you get started with one faceless YouTube channel, it could spiral into you making some more and making even more money. So in order for each video to be making $2 a day, you would only be needing to get 200 views on each video a day. Now, I would like to note, of course, each video isn't going to get the same amount of views, as most of your views are really going to all go into one video, as you could be posting a bunch of videos that are getting views, but then you have this one video that is getting a lot of traction and a lot of views. So I just wanted to throw that in. Like, of course, each video isn't going to get an even 200 views each day. So each video is getting this 200 views a day. And if each video is at $10 cost per impressions, then you would be making $10 per 1,000 views with ad revenue. And let me tell you, this is completely possible. You guys just have to be choosing the correct niches to pursue with a YouTube channel. And this can be a mistake when starting a YouTube channel. Some people could pick the wrong niches that aren't getting enough traction. So it is very important to choose a high cost per impression YouTube niche. And let me list some niches for you guys if you're like, hey, I don't know which topic to revolve this channel around. Well, I have good news for you. There are a ton of different options, and these can include things like travel, investing, finance, health, making money online, technology, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, and etc. There's so many different niches out there. So a faceless YouTube channel works in the sense that you find video ideas. Of course, you need to pick your niche first, which I just said. So you pick your niche and then you find video ideas within this niche. And a hack to find different video ideas would be maybe just searching your niche online. So if my niche was makeup, let's say, for example, I would search up makeup, and then I would like to scroll and see which videos are getting the most views, and then model my videos off of the videos that are doing very well at the moment. So you're gonna find these video ideas, you're going to generate them, and then you are going to want to optimize these videos. And then, of course, monetize them, as we want to be making some money. So with that all being said, online is a great place to be making some money. And I've kind of had this common theme of YouTube being a great platform to not only promote digital products or affiliate marketing or just having a YouTube channel, or you could branch off of a YouTube channel, make your own online course like my brother did. But there are so many possibilities to making money online. And many of these different side hustles that we just went through can be helped by having a YouTube channel. So they all kind of go hand in hand with each other and help each other out, which is why I'm going to be giving you guys this video right next to me. It is a video, basically a free training course on how to create your own faceless YouTube channel. It goes more in depth on different niches you can choose and what types of content to create within those specific niches, how to monetize your channel and get some traction and views. So make sure to check it out, and I'll see you guys there.